children, today we will study the heterotrophic nutrition in the plants and what are the types of heterotrophic nutrition, on which the first one I told you in my previous video. There are four kinds of head. The one is parasites, the symbiotic nutrition, the saprophytic nutrition, and the insectivorous. Though we will study first today parasites. In parasitic mode of nutrition, plants depend on other plants or animals. Means they will not get their food their own self. They just depend to others. Like we humans, we are depend our food on plants product, crop products, and the animals product and the milk product. Understand? For their nourishment. Nourishment means their desires, other plants and other animals, and they live on their body. Yeah, either they live on their body or they are depend on their body. Such dependent plants are called parasites. Understand? And the parasite depend or called host means on which they live, like zoo that live in our hair, so we are host for them, and you are the parasites, it sucks our blood. Understand? So we are host and they are parasites. A parasite plant climbs on the host plants. Means the parasite plant climb them, they crawl over them and just spread all over their body. And whatever the food they the host plant have, they just start taking or sucking. Understand? But they got the full benefit, they get the full benefit of host plant, but the host plant will not get any single benefit from the parasites. Understand? Some examples like cascata, akash bale, amar bale, its name, cassia, hookworms. These are two plants, and the these are the very small creatures. Understand? So I'm telling you, yeah, showing you the examples of these examples. The first one is cassia. Understand? It is called amarvale also, and they live on the other plant and take all full of their nutrition from the host plant. And lastly, the host plant will dry or will not get proper growth. The second one is a this is cascata, amar bale, amar bale, amar bale, akash bale, all kinds of their name. They just spread. First, if you take a single branch of this cascata and just throw on the any plant, and after a few months, it will make a it will make a net of their plants, just spread all over there like a net, like a mosquito net, and start sucking the nutrition from the host plant. And slowly the host plant start drying and didn't grow up as he that was doing. Next is this is hookworms. It's a found kinds of creature, it means little animals, and like it was forms sometimes other animals body and take the nutrition from them, from their body. This is tapeworm. It is found in our intestine also, है ना. समटाइम जैसे ये सुना होगा आपने हिंदी बच्चों के पेट में कीड़े हो जाना. Understand? So these are the tapeworms are found inside the body, human's body, and if they once they take the place inside the body. They start the nutrition whatever we eat, and our body will not grow as we want. So doctor would give some medicine to kill these insects or tapeworms. Last is this is leeches. In Hindi it is called joke. It is found in muddy ponds, small ponds. No, when animals go there like buffalo, and the animal who don't want to drink water from that place, so then buffalo like to bath in the water during the summer seasons. So just they go inside it, and slowly the leeches will stuck their mouth to the body of buffalo and start sucking their blood. Understand? So they are totally depend on the other plants, sorry, other animals, leeches, and suck their blood. And if we want to remove, then we have to put, yeah, sprinkle some white salt. That is called table salt that we eat in our daily uses. Let's understand. So these are the example with parasite explanation. Animals. Understand? This is so your your homework. Find other parasites name and their work and where they found or live. Understand? This is your homework. It's enough for today. Goodbye to all.